Look how flooded it is. Something weird at our front door. No, but seriously, it's stuck. I don't know how to get it in the house.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
What's up, vlog? Today it's raining again. It's been raining for a couple days now. We've actually heard of some pretty intense flooding in the area, and we're hoping to get to go see that today. But today is going to be super exciting. School's almost out for Lily, and she's actually been pretty sad. We have to go clean out her locker at school. Liam's actually inside on the couch. Let's go see what he has to say about this. Before we get started on this crazy day, guys, what do they do, Liam? What do they do? Okay, I'll tell them. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. You know, it's always a blessing to be in the presence of a captain. Captain Liam, right there. What's up, man? Weren't you just blasting off into space in the car?
Oh, yeah.
Was the car your rocket?
Yeah.
Yeah? Blast off!
Yeah.
Woo! Good job. Hey, you want to hear a funny joke about space, Bubby?
Yeah.
I heard that the moon had a restaurant on it.
How?
Yeah, it had really bad reviews
Oh.
because there was no atmosphere. Get it?
But there's snacks on the moon too.
There's snacks on the moon?
Yeah.
Oh, they call it moon snacks?
They're not actually moon is out of rocks.
That's right, the moon is made out of rocks. Where did you learn that at?
That's space.
Did you learn it on Peppa Pig? Yeah, you did, didn't you? Peppa Pig's very educational.
It's so flooded. Oh my god.
Why we can't go in there?
Oh yeah, baby, you can't drive back there.
The water.
So we made a pit stop. It has been raining here nonstop for like the last 2-3 days. And we came to a local park and it is absolutely flooded. Here, I'll get in, I'll show you all. Look how flooded it is. Oh, I can't believe it's been, it shouldn't be this flooded, but it is. It's like you need an ark to go play in that park. We're gonna see how this water really feels. It's cold out though. It's,
I don't know if you see that.
woo.
Oh, let me clean off that camera. What do you think you're doing? Oh my gosh. Stop. You guys want to go play at the park?
No.
That was crazy. I don't know if I remember being in a flood that big before.
Yeah, and I think the more you would have walked back, I mean...
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's all flooded all in that direction and everything.
I'm squished. I went out of this car.
Lily's probably very
squished.
squished.
What are you guys
I'm
doing?
squished.
So we had to go pick up Lilyanah's stuff from her school because school's basically over and this is the week to pick up stuff that was left there. Lilyanah, are you said that school's over, honey? Are you? Yeah. Are you going to be in first grade next year? What? Are you serious? Are you excited that you're going to be in first grade? Yeah. Are you? What
I'm in kindergarten.
No, not quite, but you're getting closer.
Not yet.
Not
Goodness,
yet.
I'm so happy it's not yet. You get to spend all the time with me now.
Me too.
You too? Yeah, during summer.
Check out what we got though.
Try
We're
it.
driving
Let me
away,
eat some.
and this lady
Try it.
stopped
Let me
us, and we're like, "Yes," and she's like, "You want some school lunches?" We're like, and she's like, "Here, how many?" We said 3, so we got school lunches, pizza.
And they gave. She's like, "Hang on, I got more for you." She gave us
Yeah.
breakfast for the next morning.
They
too. It's
loaded
really
us
cool.
up. They said they've been doing that this whole time for kids that may not be able to have lunches that rely on the school lunches. So it's really cool, and they're going to be doing it still continued. So just want to props and thumbs up there. But I mean, the school pizza. This pizza's awesome. The kids are like, ew, ew, but I'm like, heck yeah, school pizza.
Heck yeah, because I'm an astronaut. This is my. I'm driving in my rocket ship. I have a driving wheel.
Okay, well we gotta get out of this car.
Ship where I
I look like stinking. Oh no no!
Do that.
Look, guys, I look like Fred Flintstone because my feet were so wet. I had to leave my socks and shoes off when I got out of that water. Oh, yabba dabba doo. Well, we had a lot of fun at Five Below. We just got back from there, and it was my first time back in a while at Five Below, and I was having fun, and the kids were just so excited to be able to be in that store. There's so much cool stuff. You can spend money very quickly at Five Below. They make it sound like it's cheap, but it can rack up really fast. But the kids got something really cool, and they want to show you guys. Liam, what'd you get?
I got a golden lion.
You got a golden Ryan, and Lily got really cool makeup and slime.
No.
We don't need makeup. You're too young for makeup.
No, I'm gonna put it in the slime for a makeup video.
Oh. Well, we're gonna let Liam open up his surprise. You want to open up your surprise?
Yeah.
What do you do, like, with it? How do you open it?
You gotta open the wrapper like this.
Okay,
These.
show us. Show us how you open it.
There's blind bags, I think. Oh, there is blind bags.
There's what?
Blind bags. Look. Slime bags.
Blind bags?
Slime bags.
Slime bags.
They're not slime bags.
They're blind.
Whoa, and there's confetti!
That's because it's my birthday.
Surprise! What? Not your birthday.
Oh, it is.
Oh, you can put those in your
Whoa,
treasure
they're like
chest.
little rings.
Can I
Cool.
try, Daddy? Can I try that?
Lily, try
Come
one.
on, you want one? Want to try one? Here you go.
I'll try panda one.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Coins.
Whoa, coins!
Hey.
Whoa! What does this thing do to it? Is it? No, I think you throw it or something with it.
Watch this, Bubby. Ready?
Whoa!
What is it?
I know what it is. I can't tell you though.
What is it?
Ooh.
What is it?
What is that?
It's like a little figure.
It's fire! Please.
All right, let's see what the last thing is.
What is in here?
Stickers!
Sticker!
Cool! Something weird at our front door. What in the world is going on? Why is there a Christmas tree leaning at our front door?
I got it.
Why is there a Christmas tree at our front door, Lainey?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's a Christmas tree. Why?
Are you sure?
What is going on in here?
Well, I had a great idea.
Oh, that's how all these things are. I had a great idea. Continue, please.
We have a swimming pool
Mm-hmm.
that is on the side of our house.
I see where this is going.
And we haven't been able to put it up. It's not been that hot. So what if we turned our garage into a swimming pool? Did you know that's what we're doing? No. Oh my goodness, I can't
you-
wait.
So that is why Alyssa and I are tearing up the garage because we are trying to organize it
I'm not really
again. Well, we're not tearing it up. No, we're trying to organize it so we can make room to make our own swimming pool in here. That's not going to happen in this video.
Possibly our next video though.
Yeah.
Or the video.
You guys want to stay tuned for what happens in this garage.
Yep. We have some ideas for this swimming pool.
We got a lot going on in this garage though.
We're excited. Yeah! So we've ran into a little bit of an issue. We've had this issue before.
We ran into an issue.
So this has been in our garage, and Cameron's like, "Are you sure we're gonna use it?" Because I'm like, "Let's put it in the house." But
I got an idea.
let's hear your idea. Let's hear it.
We're having trouble getting it inside the house. So what we're gonna do is,
Oh my gosh! Wait, did you just plug it in, honey?
yeah, we're just keep it right here.
So you got like the view.
It's a hybrid. You got the outdoors. And you don't have to go nowhere. So you have the nice outside. You can watch the kids from the inside. This is perfect. You want to try? Come on up here, Bubby.
Wait, no.
Yeah, come on,
no,
you gotta walk,
honey,
you gotta walk.
honey,
You
no.
gotta walk with me now.
Cameron,
You gotta
no.
walk. See, you got it. You got it? See, perfect. It'll work right here. Is this good for you, honey?
No, it's not good for me.
Okay. But we gotta put it in the house. No, but seriously, it's stuck. I don't know how to get it in the house. So Liam wants me to plug it in. Liam, you think you got this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
How sure are you? Laney, you want to do it too?
Yeah. I'm sure maybe it's not good.
Oh, okay. Now listen, you have to be careful, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta walk.
It's going.
You gotta walk.
I'm doing it.
Good job, you guys. You're
Whoa.
doing it.
Whoa, hey. Whoa, I just turned it off.
Hey, you pull on that, it comes off. Whoa.
I told you I got this.
You do got it.
Now my mouth's so dark to hurt really bad.
Should Liam turn it up some?
No.
I wonder what happens if you turn it up some, Bubby.
Ready, steady, go.
I wonder what happens Liam, if you turn it up.
No.
Okay.
Do not turn it out, guys. Never, ever. I will fire you.
You're fired.
Will fire me?
Yeah, I'll fire you.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You okay? You want to get off, Laney?
Whoa.
Off. Okay, let Laney get off.
And I'll do it again. Get off, get off, get off.
She wants to walk again.
Oh.
Oh! Good balance, baby. Easy. Oh! Face plant.
Okay.
She put her hands down on it and then. Oh, let's see how fast you can go. Whoa, dude, you're doing good. Why are you doing that?
Because I just want you. And I'm keeping this.
Why?
Yeah, I just want you. I want to keep this to make sure it's good. I won't lose this. Okay, I'm bringing it actually good plug in again. I'll save the story later.
Okay.
Okay, come here. Come here, come on. Here, can please hold on his hand?
Good job. Way to be a good big brother to tell her to hang on. Oh, okay, careful. Careful. Ooh, just in time. Don't touch it, Laney. Let me see how fast Daddy can go.
Yeah.
Here, let me hold this. We really need to get this inside the house.
Yeah, it's oh, Lainey, honey, back up.
Watch out, Laney. Stay right there, okay?
Cameron, no. Please, honey.
Stay right there. Don't touch.
No, please, Cameron. It's too fast to start off on. Baby. Okay, it sounded a lot faster than it is.
Please stop.
Okay, Are you okay? Okay, we gotta get this inside before we break something or someone.
We did it! It is finally in here!
After some blood, sweat, and tears. Well, look at you go, bub. You started again.
I'll plug it in.
Okay.
And I'll do it faster again.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah.
Is it better inside or outside?
It's better and
You
guys.
think it's better inside?
Yeah.
We actually did a TikTok with Liam in it, and he ended up following with me and him in it, and it was funny, wasn't it, Bubby? I think we'll show you guys that TikTok video right here. Check it out.
So this is how my husband decided to fix it. It won't go in the door, and he is deciding to just leave it there and make it like a nature walk type thing. Liam, Timothy, oh my gosh. Are you okay? Don't do that again. Can we stop this? We gotta put it in the house. We're not leaving it here.
Man, Liam bit it, but me and Laney almost went too, but we were able to turn it off. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok when you're able to see funny videos like that, because we try to spread out the goods on our social medias. Well, it's been a chore, but let's show you guys what we did here. It's different than all the other times we clean our garage. That's the wrong light.
We got rid of a lot of stuff. Well,
We
no.
moved out a lot of stuff on this side, and yeah.
Show them a better view of it. I mean, the floor is dirty. I'm going to mop
We're
all
not
that tomorrow.
100% done. We're gonna have ourselves a tropical party in here someday. So we got a lot done today, and that's the end of today's video. But we're gonna throw a little surprise in there. We're gonna do shout out time. First shout out goes to Candace31YT.
And next shout out goes to Izzy Ferguson, and it's like 49418. That's on TikTok. So
Wow, that's a good
yeah,
long
so,
name, but that's awesome.
yeah. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want to be on our next shout out, make sure you go and follow us on our social medias.
Yeah,
Also, our
cool.
TikTok, we've been posting on there a lot, and it's so much fun. So we will get you guys on a shout out. Yeah,
Shout out.
shout out.
Well, guys, if you guys are new to this family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.